Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hey guys, this is RTX Meetlug, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download the pro version of Kinemaster. Now Kinemaster is one of the most, if not the most famous video editors on the Android devices platform. In fact, it's one of the best video editors, if not the best video editor, which you can download for an Android device from Play Store. Now let me show you Kinemaster on Play Store first of all. Now this is the basic version of Kinemaster. This is not Kinemaster Pro, which you can directly download from Play Store. This is the basic version of Kinemaster. As you can see, you can directly download it from Play Store. I've already downloaded and installed it. As you can see, this is Kinemaster. Now as you can see, it has got 100 million plus downloads. It has got 4.5 out of 5 star. It has got 1 million reviews, and it is 69 MB in size, which is not really much for a video editor of this level. It is a very good video editing software. It basically gives you all the options which you get in a PC video editing software. You can cut videos, you can merge videos, you can add audios or music, whatever you want to say, to a video. You can also export that particular video which you have edited at a very high quality, which can be 1080p on the pro version, but usually it gives you options till 720p, which is also HD quality in the normal version, which is free. You can download on Play Store. And there are multiple other layers and transition options in Kinemaster. You can directly download Kinemaster from Play Store, but as I said, this is not the pro version, this is the basic version. In the pro version you get some more options which you don't get usually in you don't get in the normal version. In the pro version you get multiple layers, editing and other transition effects, many other options. Plus you also get rid of the watermark. Now whenever you export the application, the video which you have edited in not the normal Kinemaster video editor, then it leaves a huge watermark of made with Kinemaster, and you cannot remove that watermark anyhow unless you buy Kinemaster Pro. Yes, you need to buy Kinemaster Pro inside Kinemaster video editor, which you download from Play Store, if you want to get more options for editing your video, and you also if you want to remove that watermark. So for that you need to download Kinemaster Pro inside Kinemaster video editor after installing it or downloading it from Play Store. And for getting Kinemaster Pro you need to pay, and it's a pretty expensive application. If we talk about Kinemaster Pro, you can purchase it inside Kinemaster directly, but it is very expensive. But in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get Kinemaster Pro for absolutely free from the internet, and it's absolutely safe guys. It's not like very filled with virus. The Kinemaster Pro, which I'm gonna show you how you can download Kinemaster Pro from the internet, the application would not be filled with virus. It's completely virus free. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So for this, first of all you need to go in the link in the description. This is the link. Simply go there, simply press on the link in the description, and it will take you to this digitbind website, www.digitbind.com. Here you need to press on download Kinemaster mod unlocked version 4.0.xxx. This is the latest version, and below this is the old version of Kinemaster, and just above this is Kinemaster mod version 4.8, which is a little older. So I'm gonna download the latest version. Simply press on it and the download will automatically start. It's gonna give you a message that this file may be harmful because you're downloading it from the internet, from a third-party website. But as I've already downloaded it, I can guarantee that it's not harmful at all. It doesn't have viruses, bugs, malwares, etc. So simply press on OK and the download will start. As you can see, the download has started. 11 minutes depending upon your internet connection and internet speed. Now as you can see, it is downloading. So I'm not gonna simply download it because I've already downloaded and installed it. I'm not gonna download it again. I also want to tell you one more thing guys. After you have downloaded Kinemaster Pro, don't simply press on it and install it. Just after you have downloaded it, don't open it. Go on your settings before that. After going on settings, then go on additional settings, then go on privacy, and then enable unknown sources. And after enabling unknown sources, you will be able to open you will be able to install Kinemaster Pro application or APK which you just downloaded. Now you will be able to install the Kinemaster Pro application package which you just Android package which you just downloaded. If you didn't enable this unknown sources from your settings, additional settings, privacy, then you will not be able to install the application which you just downloaded. So you need to enable this unknown sources, then open the application which you just downloaded and then install it. After you have installed Kinemaster Pro, it's gonna look like this. Let me show you how it looks when you open it. So this is how it looks when you open Kinemaster for the first time. This is the Pro version. You will not get a watermark when you export a video, and you will also get some extra features which you don't get in the normal Kinemaster version which you download from Play Store. As you can see, these are my videos which I post on my channel, and you don't get any you can see that there's no watermark of Kinemaster in it or in them. Now to open the video editor, you need to simply press on this and then on empty project, and there you go, the video editor has started. Now I'll make another video. My next video will be over Kinemaster Pro only, a complete sober guide of Kinemaster Pro. In it will tell you guys how you can edit videos and do stuffs like merging, cutting, and also adding music, transition effects, animations, etc. to videos. I'll teach you that in my next video. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. That's it for today. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, peace, have a nice day ahead. Bye bye for now.